in the right beach. And this here, this is the parking area for car, motorbike, and bicycle. It's here right now. And this is the festival bin. They have motor here, guys. Joke. It's not motor. So here, yeah, you can chill here. Chill out like this public beach. See? And let's go here, guys. Finally, we are now in the right beach. Let's go. There are so many chairs here, guys. If you want to sit here, chill. Watch this. Bien Chong Hai Bong. What? Can you read me this word, guys? Because it's so hard to pronounce. Why they did not use this? Stand by. What's this? Oh. People. They have so many coconut tree here. Oh, look. See? From here and then there. And then what's this? Playground? No. Ah, I don't know. Festival bin. Oh. Ah, soccer. Yeah, you can play soccer here, guys. If you want to play. See? Oh, there. Oh. Festival bin. Hoi An Quang Nam 2024. It's not crowded here, guys. If you want a peaceful place, peaceful beach where there is no many people, you can come here. Oh, where is my? I lose my flowers. My flowers, guys. See? Beautiful, isn't it? Isn't it? Hi, what language did you use, my dear? I'm scared. I don't want to swim here. I'm scared of the wave. I don't know what he is doing, guys. Let's go. Let's go here. To here. I don't know what he is doing. Hello, what are you? Ah. Would you like to go there, guys? I don't know if it's safe there. I don't know what he is doing. See? Why I don't see dolphin and shark here? I thought there is shark here. Joke. I'm just kidding. I want to touch. Ah, it's soft. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go there. Let's go there. Where? She is alone, guys. And I am also alone here, walking. We are both alone. Oh, my boyfriend just chilling. What he is doing? Swimming. Let's go to the edge of this beach. What's the name of this beach? What's the name of this beach, guys? Did I mention to you? Wait, I need to. It's so hot. Anbang Beach. Anbang Beach. Oh, chilling. Beautiful. The ocean is beautiful. They have big waves here, guys. I don't know why. They have volleyball. You can play volleyball here. So now we are almost in the boat. We are almost in the edge of this beach. The edge of the beach. At the edge. What are you talking? What are you talking, huh? Look. You think I'm crazy? No, I'm not. Let's go. Why they have big waves here? Wow, look at that. We are almost in the edge of the ocean. Almost in the edge of the beach. Almost. So guys, I reached my destination. Ta-da! Inhale tayo guys. See? Oh, what would be here? Did you see that? What's that? Oh. Let's go guys. There's sign here. Come Tom. No swimming here in this side because it's dangerous. It's not safe. You can only swim there. Now let's go. They have also restaurants beside the beach guys, and place you wanted to rest and see the best view of the beach. I am out of nowhere. I am out of nowhere. What out of nowhere? Let's dance TikTok. I need to go back. I'm thirsty. Many people. See? There are people here. See? Oh, people are resting, enjoying sunbathing. Let's go there. So that's the place where you can rest guys. Here. On that side. On this side you can use that. Oh. What's this? Oh. I'm so tired. They have also basket boat guys. I'm gonna show you. This is their basket boat. We are in Cua Dai Beach. Cua